So see to that you're gaining confidence and you're taking confidence building measures by following the given aspects. One big question: what should I revise? What should I do in order to maximize my potential and give my best on the day of exam? What should I focus on? How many hours should I study now? And what are the things I need to really focus on in the final days of preparation? So just keep two things in mind. In fact, the third aspect comes with the other two things, as you can see. So these are the areas you need to focus on. MCQs practice. Practice as many MCQs as possible rather than just restricting yourself to theory or any synopsis. Practicing as many MCQs as possible gives you more and more confidence. When I say practice MCQs, don't go for new MCQs, just practice those MCQs which you're already thorough in. It can be your test series or it can be revision of your any notes where you have set of multiple choice questions. Even in the form of discussions, it doesn't matter, but see to that you are revising as many MCQs as possible. And second, notes. I always highlight on the importance of notes. Now is the time where you need to revise your notes repeatedly, because that's going to save your time and enhance your confidence. So make sure that you're taking care of these two things. Then obviously you'll be having the most important aspect, that is confidence, which is very much essential right now just before your exam. Because as I keep on reminding you, no matter how much hard work you put in, no matter how much consistent you are, if you do not believe in yourself, if you're not confident, it's definitely a bad sign. So see to that you're gaining confidence and you're taking confidence building measures by following the given aspects. Focus on multiple choice questions practice, revise your notes repeatedly, and see to that you're utilizing the maximum time in a given day towards preparation. You need any further assistance or any help, you can always get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com, and just keep this in mind. You have been giving your best. There is no reason for you to worry. Just believe in yourself and you're definitely going to do great in the coming entrance. And remember, if you feel negative, if you're worried, if you feel tensed, just hold on. You still have plenty of time, to experience those feelings, especially after the day of exam. So postpone your feelings till then, but till the date of exam, see to that you're giving your best without any second thought. Right? So wish you all the best. Love you all.